Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones and taking a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. While this phone offers some interesting features, there are some drawbacks you should know about before making a purchase. Let's get into it. Starting off, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A35 5G comes equipped with a mid-range processor. While it handles everyday tasks smoothly, it might struggle with more demanding applications or gaming sessions. If you're a heavy user, you might want to consider this. 2. Next up, software updates. Samsung's mid-range phones often receive fewer updates compared to their flagship counterparts. So, if you're someone who values getting the latest features and security patches promptly, this could be a concern for you. 3. Moving on to camera performance, the Galaxy A35 5G boasts AI-enhanced features. However, it falls short in low-light conditions. If you're big on photography and often find yourself snapping pictures indoors or at night, you might not be satisfied with the image quality. 4. In terms of build quality, the Galaxy A35 5G features a plastic build. While this keeps the phone lightweight, it might not feel as premium compared to devices with glass or metal bodies. If you're someone who values the feel of a premium device, this might be a downside for you. 5. Another thing to note is the display. The Galaxy A35 5G doesn't come with a high refresh rate display, like some other mid-range and flagship devices do. A higher refresh rate provides a smoother user experience, so if that's important to you, this is something to consider. 6. The mid-range smartphone market is highly competitive, and there are many alternatives to the Galaxy A35 5G from other brands. Some of these alternatives offer similar or better specifications at a similar price point. So, it's worth exploring other options before making a decision. 7. Lastly, while the Galaxy A35 5G is rated IP67 for water and dust resistance, it's not recommended for extreme water exposure. If you need a phone that can withstand more intense water situations, you might want to look elsewhere. So, there you have it, folks. 7 reasons why you might hesitate to purchase the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. While it does offer some appealing features, it's essential to weigh these drawbacks against your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and discussions. See you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, stay tuned.